Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Now I have just woken up, so I am definitely still a little bit tired, but I thought I want to share my thoughts and review on a product that I was recently gifted that I am so beyond excited about. I have wanted one of these for the longest time, so of course I have to share this with you. And then I realized I have my summer Oodie on, and it was just the perfect timing to tell you my thoughts again on this, and then my new item, which I will show you very shortly. So obviously this is a video on Oodies, so I am so excited that I not only have a summer one, but I do have a winter one now, which, oh my god, it is so cold in our house in winter, so it is going to be so well used. So I just want to tell you that this one is just called the Bulldog Oodie Sleep Tea. It's $64. So I have done a separate video on this particular product. I'll just show you it. So again, it just says pancakes and pajamas. Obviously super oversized. It is very comfortable. Ooh. Now, to be honest, I think I'm going to personally get more wear out of the winter one. Although in saying that, I thought I wasn't going to wear this as much as I do. I actually love chucking it on in the morning, like if I'm doing nothing or if I'm doing my makeup. I just find it is the thing that I actually gravitate towards, which, yeah, I didn't think I would, but really comfortable, amazing material. I don't sleep in it, but I definitely do wear it quite a bit. Now, the item which I will talk to you about is the, can you guess which design? Because I know you guys know what I'm about to show you. Anyway, so this is called the Bulldog Oodie Hooded Blanket, and it's $79. In saying that, I know that there are many discount codes that this website does have. So this is the bag that you get, and then obviously the Oodies are vacuum sealed, I think it's called. And you guys, this is the Oodie that I was gifted. Now, if you know me, you know that there was literally no other options but the Bulldog one for me. Like, it is the only one that I wanted, the only one that just is me in a nutshell. I absolutely love this so much. If you haven't felt an Oodie before, they are so thick, so soft, and just like an amazing warm hug blanket. So I am beyond excited to have this. They are one size fits all, or fits most, I would say. Let me tell you a little bit about what they say about this one. So it's just a hooded blanket actually. So it's $79 at the moment. They're usually $109. It says every Oodie is made from toasty warm Sherpa fleece on the inside and buttery soft toasty tech flannel fleece on the outside, and you'll feel like you're hugging 1,000 adorable pug puppies. I think that should be bulldog puppies. So one size fits most. The Oodie is based on 6XL hoodie sizing, which suits from 150 centimeters to 185 centimeters. Also, they do have free shipping and returns. They are vegan and cruelty free. They're super warm. They last 10%, oh no, they're 10% longer than competitors, and they have sold over 1 million Oodies, and I can see why. I last winter was going to purchase one from, I think, Big W, because I just wanted one so badly. I am so glad I waited and got the original Oodie. And yeah, I am so excited. I will show you it on both of them. But if you have any questions or anything like that, definitely leave a comment down below. I recommend both these products 100 times over. Honestly, best things ever. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Again, I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.